Well, we were kind of introduced to gaming and we were brainstorming ideas for what make a good game, and then he introduced us to software that we're going to use and gave us examples of what we've been doing, and we started making a game. So we decided on an idea. We liked storyline, main characters, all that. We scanned them in to the software and we're just putting them all together now, really. Yeah, it's great fun, definitely. Using your creative side of your mind, doing something different, and I enjoy this sort of thing, and I think everyone does here as well.
Did you know any of the other guys here today?
No, I didn't, but they're all great guys and made lots of friends.